Hi beauties! Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product. I recently incorporated Paula's Choice 6% Mandelic acid plus 2% lactic acid liquid exfoliant into my skincare routine, and the results have been nothing short of impressive. This potent yet gentle blend of Mandelic and lactic AHA exfoliants has truly lived up to its promise of resurfacing my skin, leaving it smoother, softer, and noticeably brighter. One of the standout features is its ability to address a range of skin concerns effectively. From improving sun damage and dullness to tackling fine lines, this exfoliant has become a versatile ally in my quest for healthier skin. The formula also boasts the commendable quality of reversing a compromised skin barrier, which has significantly contributed to the overall improvement in the texture and radiance of my complexion. What sets this exfoliant apart is its careful consideration for all skin types. As someone with a deeper skin tone, I appreciate its unique formula that rejuvenates without causing post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. The 6% mandelic acid, known for its gentle nature, targets wrinkles and discoloration effectively, while the 2% lactic acid, with its time-released action, not only exfoliates but also hydrates and smooths the skin's surface. Beyond the star acids, the inclusion of yarrow root extract and cherry blossom adds a soothing and supportive dimension. These ingredients not only nurture the skin's moisture barrier, but also contribute to a healthier microbiome. The fermented antioxidant blend of cherry blossom, chocolate vine, and bayberry further enhances the formula's efficacy, working beneath the surface for improved cell turnover and youthful-looking skin over time. Application is a breeze. I either use my hands or a cotton pad to gently pat the exfoliant on my face and neck. I started with once every other day, carefully observing my skin's response, and gradually progressed to twice daily application. For daytime use, it's essential to follow up with SPF 30+, ensuring comprehensive protection. Paula's Choice 6%, Mandelic acid plus 2%, lactic acid. Liquid exfoliant has become a staple in my skincare arsenal. Its transformative impact on my skin's texture, radiance, and overall health has exceeded my expectations. If you're seeking an effective yet gentle exfoliant suitable for all skin types, this product certainly deserves a spot in your routine.